welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. So for today's video I'm going to be doing a Geek Gear World of Wizardry unboxing. So this is June's box. I have the box right here. It's completely unopened still. Before we get into the unboxing, be sure to like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and also check out all of my other social media handles down below. So without further ado, let's get into the box. Oh, such satisfying sound. We get the blue tissue paper as normal. I'm going to set it down to the side like I normally do without looking at it. And I'm going to pick the first thing that comes into my hands, which is a wearable. This is a t-shirt. This is so gorgeous. It's a beautiful, like, bluey purple colour, and it's got a picture of a stag. This is obviously Harry's Patronus. Is it Harry's Patronus? Or is it his dad's Patronus? I think they have the same Patronus, don't they? No, yeah, this is Harry's Patronus. What am I talking about? I don't know. Oh. So this is a picture of Harry's Patronus. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. It's so detailed. And again, with the t-shirts that come in these boxes, they're such nice, soft, good quality. I wear these as my bed shirts and lounging around shirts. Lounging around shirts. And honestly, they're the most comfortable t-shirt that I have worn to bed. And they are, oh, lovely. So I'm definitely going to be keeping this one. This is so pretty. And also, because it's just a stag, you could actually probably wear this out and about without most people knowing what it is for. So cool. Next we have this little box. Open it up. Ooh, we have like a little velvet mystery pouch. I haven't had any spoilers for this box so far, so I have no idea what's in it. So this is like so exciting. Oh, okay. Is this a necklace? Oh my goodness. Okay, hang on. I can't get into it. So this next item is a necklace. Let me get a close-up for you. So this is a really pretty necklace. It's like a kind of like a locket necklace, because you can open the necklace as well, and inside there is a couple of little blue like diamond-y stones and a little metal bird, which is super cute. I really like this. This is so adorable and so like pretty. I think this has got something to do with the Patronuses as well. I want to put it on. There we go, I've put it on. Isn't that so nice? It's really subtle as well. You wouldn't think this is Harry Potter, which is really good. Excuse my sunburn. I got very badly sunburned over the weekend and yeah, it's painful. Okay, right. Next item, we have something in wrap. Oh my goodness, it's a giant flag. Wow, okay. So this is a ginormous blue flag with a picture of an eagle in the centre. Look how long this is. It goes all the way down there to a point. This is amazing. It's got at the end as well, it's got two little points where you can put your like string in or whatever and hang it up as a flag, and it lets it flap in the wind. It's too big, I can't get it in frame. I wonder if it's like house themed. I'm gonna have to find somewhere to put this. I don't know where to put it. But that's really cool. I'll have to wait until the end when we get the little leaflet to have a look, see what that is, house themed or not. But that's awesome. Right, so next little thing. Okay, so this must be a cookie cutter. I don't know what shape that is though. So this is a cookie cutter. I don't know what shape it is. Sort of like a ghost maybe. I don't know, we'll have to find out in the end, or when we get the recipes. Okay, so next thing is this. What is this? Coaster set. A Harry Potter coaster set. Got some homeware bits. I think this is a Geek Gear license exclusive Harry Potter certified product. So we get 4 coasters. This is the first coaster. It says Harry. This is the second coaster. This is Draco Malfoy. Next one is Hermione. No, I think these are all from the second year, because that's got Gilderoy Lockhart in it. That's Hermione. And then we have Ron Weasley dressed up with his mandrake. Yeah, I quite like these. These are quite cute. I love getting homeware things. So next we have another Geek Gear box with another little velvet pouch. Oh, what's going to be in this one? Right, let's have a look. Oh. It's exactly the same thing. Okay, so I've got 2 of those locket necklaces. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this one because I've already got one on, see? Next we have a metal poster with a unique magnet mounting system. That's a mouthful to say, isn't it? So this is the metal poster we have. It's quite small, but it's very, very hard, and it's got the magnet on the back, which you could probably like use to attach it to your fridge. You could probably use it as a giant fridge magnet. I don't know, but that's it's a very, very pretty picture. So that's that item. Next, I feel like next we have a few of the recipe cards. Yes. So the first recipe card is the Fantastic Bread. So this is obviously the bread that Jacob makes in Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. It's so cute, you've got little animals. So that's quite cool. And then we have another recipe which is for that cookie cutter. I know what it is now, it's the jumpers. So you can make Harry and Ron's jumper with a load of icing in cookies. That's quite cool. It makes sense now. It looks like a jumper. Oh, it's that way around. I was thinking it was that way around, but it's not, it's that way around. So it makes sense now, it's a jumper to make the jumper cookies. Duh. Okay. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's have a look at what's next. Oh, we have another recipe card. This is butterscotch beer. Now I might actually make this one because it looks very yummy. It looks like the stuff you get at Harry Potter studio tour. Yum. We've got one last thing, which is the print. Now this is a Geek Clear license exclusive. Oh, this is very nice. I'm going to keep it in the cellophane, so I'm sorry if you can't really see it very well, but this is the poster, and it's got Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw and Slytherin house banners, and at the bottom here you have like Neville Longbottom and all the friends and that, and then the Hogwarts crest, and yeah, and the Hufflepuff crest. Gryffindor crest is here. We have Slytherin is up there, if you can see it. Where's Ravenclaw? Oh, Ravenclaw's there, it's kind of hidden. So they've got all the house crests. It's a kind of like a watercolour type thing, I think. I don't know, that's quite nice. I want to add it to my collection of Geek Gear prints. So yeah, very, very nice print. Lovely jubbly. So lastly, I have the leaflet of all the items. Now, I was right, the banners do come in different houses, so whatever your house is, you will get your colour and your animal. I obviously got the blue and the eagle because I am Ravenclaw. So you can also buy the banners, the exclusive house flag banners, for $11.99. You can get the cookie cutter by itself for $1.99. And the exclusive charm necklaces, you do get your house colours as well, which are $11.99. The coasters here are $7.99. The print is $4.99. The exclusive disc plate, they're calling it, the metal poster is £7.50, and the t-shirt is $9.99. And we also have a hint for next month's box, which is the Demi guys from Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. You can barely see him because it looks very, very dark. I feel like next month's box is going to be Fantastic Beast theme, or maybe just Beast theme in general, so all the creatures from Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts. That would be really, really cool actually. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please leave me a nice comment down below and subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!